Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to make a face mask at home from a piece of cloth.
We need the following things to complete the process. Number 1, a square portion of 8 by 8 inches. Number 2, 2 strips each of 5 inches and 30 inches in length with a width of 2 inches. Now let's get to the process. Step 1, make pleats on the square portion and stitch its sides. Step 2, using the 5-inch strips, do piping on its side. Step 3, stitch the 30-inch strips on the longer side of the mask to create strings and do its piping. Your homemade mask is now ready to be used.